This is a screen replacement here on the HP Envy K2T35AV. So, to begin with, there's going to be these little screws at the two screws at the bottom of the screen here. If you can see it, there's a little plastic piece you got to remove off of here to get to these screws. So remove these two screws at the bottom, the right and the left of the screen. Okay, next we're going to take off this plastic piece around the edge of the screen. You just use a little card or something. And let's get in here and pop out. You'll hear it kind of just click out of here. And then just go around the edge of the screen. And now we'll have, there's 4 screws, the top right and top left and the bottom right, bottom left. Okay, so after we get the screws out, this LCD screen here will just pop right out. And there might be a little bit of tape adhesive holding it on, so we'll just pull that out. And right here in the corner, there's just a little cable. We just gotta unplug this. And now we got the old screen out. Set that aside. And we got the replacement screen right here. So I'll just put this face down. Attach the cable. Okay, it looks like we're good to go here. So that's the installation for a screen on the HP Envy.